John, get behind him, and Ian. Everybody get behind, and let's all go outside.
Let's go outside. Come.
Okay, I want to show you something, birthday boy.
We gotta show you something.
What is that thing over there, Aiden? Over there.
What is that?
Come look at it. What is that?
What is
What is that?
What is that?
It's a game.
What does that do?
What do you think it does in there?
Huh? What?
Yeah?
What's that, Jesse?
Happy birthday, Aiden.
See, I told you you were gonna have the. We had a big surprise for you.
Happy birthday to you.
Aiden, look at your shirt. What does your shirt say? Game on.
Isn't that awesome? What do you think, dude? What do you think, Jesse? Wait till you see what's on inside, dude. Oh my gosh, yes!
Aiden, it has my. Aiden,
I'm gonna play Battlefield.
it has.
How are you going to drive it around, Aiden? How are you going to store it? Where are you going to keep the truck?
My name is Brandon.
All right.
This is Arcadia.
What's up? I'm Ron. That's Charlie.
Hey, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
All right, so we're going to hop on and get some stuff turned on. I just need to know